The new TI-84 Evo, the undo feature on clear, and see how to copy and paste. So let's go ahead and graph this cubic here. So I'm in Y1, so X, and I like to use math 3 to get the exponent 3 minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 2. And let's say I go to press delete or something, I press clear, and we've all been there. But now, if you look above here, second clear is now undo, which is really, really nice. And not only that, you can use it as a copy and paste. It's still in the clipboard. So if I press second clear in Y2, it pastes it again. And I can edit it here and let's say make it a +2 instead and then graph both of them. So this oops is really, really nice. But I can also use this new feature by evaluating it. Let's say x equals 3. So I can type 3 store in for x and then second clear to paste that. And what it's going to do is take the current value of x, which is 3, and evaluate it. So really, really nice. So you can see a summary right here of what I just did. So second clear is really undo clear, but it's also like a paste. For more TI-84 Evo videos, please visit this site. It is case sensitive.